What's up, everybody? I hope y'all are having a wonderful day. My name's Anthony, and today we're going to make a very quick, very simple buffalo sauce. Alright, first, let me address the elephant in the room. Yes, I know, my face looks weird. If this is your first time on this channel, no, I don't normally have this facial hair arrangement. Usually I have a big beard, but it's nothing related to the Rona. It's because it's over 90 some odd degrees outside for consecutive days, and it is no longer beard season here in South Carolina. So I figured I would change it up, do something different. So I'm rocking the look that my grandfather rocked for about 40 years. Figured I'd pay a little bit of homage to him, so why not, right? But let's go ahead and get started with this video. Today we're going to be making a very quick, a very easy buffalo sauce, because when I went to go look in the fridge, I only have this much left, and I want to go ahead and share the recipe while I'm making it anyway. So let's go ahead and get started. This recipe is from Taste of Lizzie Tea. I found this thing a couple months ago and I really liked it, so I want to go ahead and give them a plug. I'll put the link down in the description below. But it uses basically everything that you're going to find in a working pantry anyway. That's why I like it. So something like a white vinegar, Worcestershire sauce, Frank's RedHot. I prefer this one better than most. Some organic chili powder. You don't have to use organic. It's just what I have in the pantry. Some paprika, garlic powder, and of course butter. I really don't think it matters if you want to do salted or unsalted, whatever you got. All right, first things first, you want to go on medium heat and you want to melt your stick of butter. All right, when your butter is just about melted, you are going to use about 1.5 cups of your hot sauce. Then 3 tablespoons of vinegar, a couple squirts of Worcester sauce, 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder or cayenne powder, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of paprika for some color. Whisk it all together. Alright, you want to bring it to a slight simmer where it starts pulling away from the sides. Give it another little whisk and turn the heat off to let it cool down. As it cools, it will thicken. Now just pour it into your storage container of choice. I like doing mason jars because I got a bunch of them. That'll about do it for me. That was super quick, super easy. Within 10 minutes, you can totally have your own buffalo sauce. I like to put it when I'm making chicken in the cast iron. I like to toss that in a bowl with the chicken for about, I don't know, a good 15 seconds, let it absorb, and put it on a bun. Boom, I got me a buffalo chicken sandwich. Excellent. And it keeps for quite a while. Granted, it never really makes it past about 2-3 weeks for me, since I eat it on almost anything. So if you learned something from this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you think my mustache looks ridiculous, tell me down below in the comment section. Please go see my friend Steve over at Corsair Trainers. He may not give you a shirt, but hey, I got one and you don't. With that being said, I'll catch y'all later, alright? Bye.